Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be talking about how you can download the Bank of America app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first of all you need to do is click open your Apple App Store. So once you click it open, it will launch itself and you can simply press on the search icon on the App Store. So once you're in the search bar, you have to just type in Bank of America and click in the search option. So it will redirect you to the app's official page where you can get the get option, which you have to click on to install it. However, as I have already installed it, I have the open option. So the process is same. So just click on open and you will be redirected to the Bank of America app. So this is how you download the Bank of America app. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.